Hello, Chasm listeners. This is Stephanie Hatzenbihler with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your weekly conservation report for Saturday, September 21st. Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District is celebrating 75 years of conservation. To mark this milestone, we will be hosting an open house on Tuesday, October 8th from 2 to 4 p.m. in the USDA SWCD Conference Room 126, located inside Marketplace Mall. For 75 years, the Stearns County SWCD has been dedicated to protecting and conserving the county's natural resources. Through education, technical assistance, and financial assistance programs, the SWCD has helped landowners, farmers, communities, and residents implement sustainable practices that improve soil health, protect and improve water quality, and enhance and protect our natural resources. The SWCD invites the public to join us in celebrating this important anniversary and to learn more about how they can help protect Stearns County land and water resources. The open house will feature the opportunity to meet and engage with past and present SWCD supervisors and staff, meet partners and supporters of the district, learn about projects, and discuss the future of conservation. Stearns SWCD was officially formed on October 28, 1949, upon certification of a petition from Stearns County landowners, and after a vote in favor by Stearns County residents. SWCDs are special purpose units of government that manage and direct conservation programs at the local level. Important programs and priorities of the Stearns County SWCD currently include soil health, clean drinking water, improved water quality, wildlife habitat and protection, and much more. Additional information can be found online at stearnscountyswcd.net/open house or by calling the office at 320-251-7800 extension 3. That's 320-251-7800 extension 3. We hope to see you there. In other news, it's time for our annual photo contest. Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District invites those across the county to submit their photographs for our third annual photo contest. Our photo contest will capture the beauty of Stearns County and highlight the great diversity of the county. The contest is open to all Stearns County residents, and each person may submit up to 5 photos in any of the following categories: agriculture, wildlife habitat, lakes and rivers, and urban conservation. For image guidelines and more details, visit stearnscountyswcd.net/photo contest. And remember, the deadline is October 15th. Our partners at the Sauk River Watershed District have a series of online community education classes this fall. Some upcoming topics include integrated pest management, the Adopt a Drain program, dormant seeding, and more. Check out your local school's community education program for more information, or call the Sauk River Watershed District at 320-352-2231. That's the Sauk River Watershed District at 320-352-2231. Did you know this past week was Septic Smart Week? During the third week of September, communities, national organizations, and local governments bring attention to the importance of caring for and maintaining septic systems. A septic system treats and disposes of household wastewater. When maintained properly, it ensures that harmful bacteria and pollutants don't enter water systems, safeguarding your health and the environment. Without proper care, however, it can lead to expensive repairs, groundwater contamination, and potential health hazards. For local resources on being septic smart, visit Stearns County Environmental Services website at stearnscountymn.gov. There you'll find a homeowner's guide plus information about septic repair and replacement grants and loans. And finally, for our gardeners out there, the Lawns to Legumes program is accepting applications from Minnesota residents through November 30th, 2024, for up to $400 of cost share funding to create pollinator habitat in your yard. Grant recipients will be notified in mid-January 2025 for spring garden installations. For those of you familiar with this program, if you had previously applied but did not receive an award, then you will need to reapply to be considered for this funding round. To apply, visit bluethumb.org and select Lawns to Legumes. If you have any questions on any of these updates, please feel free to give us a call at our office at 320-251-7800 extension 3, or visit us online at stearnscountyswcd.net. Thank you for your time today. This was Stephanie Hatzenbihler with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your weekly conservation report.